Good evening, class.
Good evening.
God bless you all.
God bless you too.
How are you all?
We're fine.
Okay. So, are you enjoying your winter days here?
Yeah.
How? Will you please
Watching
share with
movies.
me?
Yeah. Watching movies, video clips,
Mhm.
and a little bit study.
Wow, that's good. Yeah. Anybody else?
Learning how to behave, watching cartoon movies,
Mhm.
and learning more things about how to be private.
Oh, well, that's
how to
good.
be consumed.
Yeah, please.
I make sketching and electric work.
Loudly, please. Yeah.
I make sketching and electric work.
Okay, you are interested in sketching. That's very good. Yes, anybody else?
Watching horror movies and dramas.
Wow, that's good. Horror movies. At night, and can you sleep?
Yes.
After watching horror,
Yes.
you are so brave. Yes. Anybody?
Study a little bit study because board exams are
Loudly, please.
near. A little bit study because board exams are near.
Oh, yes. Well, that's good. So you all are very busy and very active students, because not only you are studying these days, but also you are enjoying on internet different movies and cartoon movies and etc. things. Okay, that's very good. So, okay, would you please tell me that have you ever visited any pizza place before? Pizza places?
Yes.
Okay, which kind of?
Okay,
Like
nice.
Pizza Hut.
One by one, please.
Pizza Hut.
Nothing.
Fried chicks.
Okay.
Sarias.
Okay. Loudly, please.
Sarias.
Okay.
Startup.
Okay, nice.
Wow, that's very good that you people have already visited pizza places. That's very good. That's interesting. So today, also I have something for you. Okay. These things. Okay. These called advertisement. These are called advertisement, and these are very helpful for us. So today in this class, we will learn that how we can get information in a advertisement. Okay, this is the advertisement that right now I'm showing to you. That what information do you look for if you want to order food here? Because you already have visited, so you can guess also. One by guess.
We can see special deals and the timing of foods available.
Yeah, on it. And advertisement. That's good.
With different types of food available there and timing also there. Special deals in minimum prices.
Okay, that's very good. Wonderful. Well, yeah, you have good knowledge. Yeah, that's good. Why is the given information important to the buyer? Because there are some information. Okay, the companies have already have given. Why this information is important for the buyer?
We can choose pizza size
Mhm.
like small, medium and large.
Because they can make decision well what they want and what they do not want.
Wow, that's good. Wonderful. Wonderful. That's very good. Yeah. Okay. If you want to plan a party or if you have get together like student party or a group of people want to eat something from that pizza valleys or pizza places, then how this information is helpful for you?
It provides the buyer.
Loudly, please. Could you please loud?
It provides the buyer an opportunity to so we can taste the thing according to our taste. We can
Wow.
get the thing according to our
Well,
taste.
well,
It
that's
helps
good.
the buyer to buy the things that they like.
Yeah.
Because some people have allergic from some things. That's why they written also the recipe, what
Okay.
they want, what we added in it, and we can buy it in more varieties according to their taste in
Okay.
less prices.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Everybody can add something. Yeah. Why these information is important for you? If you have a party, a group of people want to arrange a party, like for lunchtime or for your like get together.
We can order the D according to our budget.
Yeah, could you please repeat?
We can order the D according to our budget.
Wow, well done. Yes. Anybody?
Like drink, soft drink,
Yes,
like Sprite, Coke, Coca-Cola.
that's good.
Like burger.
Okay, very good. Yes,
Hot
burgers
drinks.
are also. Yeah, hot drinks. Yes, I like hot drinks. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Anybody else? If you want to add something in this,
Sandwich.
sandwiches also they are available.
Special
Well,
pastas.
loudly, would you please?
Special pastas.
Yeah, yeah. Do you
Traditional-
like pastas? That is good.
Traditional recipes also,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
shakes, drinks.
Okay, that's good. So these informations are always helpful for you.
Yes.
Okay, helpful for you these informations. Yeah, that's very good. So these informations are very helpful, no doubt. These are very information or helpful for you. So today in this class, we will learn about how we can scan these things. How we can scan these things. So what is the scanning? Today in this class we will learn. And I am very hopeful that after this class you can scan things better. You can scan the advertisement in better way. Because after that you will learn that how the companies print out things in bold letters, why they use different colors and different styles of letters there. Because these things catch the attention of buyer, and these informations are very helpful for a buyer. So these things we will learn in this class. There are numbers also, there are addresses also, and these small piece of information are very helpful for a buyer. Okay? Yeah. So, yeah. Some words are in bold, some words are in different colors. So, you know these colors and different styles of bold, and there are lettering styles always catch our attention. Okay? So, this is the, can you see? This is the definition of scanning. Definition of scanning. So, scanning is number A. Scanning is the method of fast reading. Okay? We have not time. You have not time to read out each and everything, each and every word from this advertisement. Do you have time? No.
No.
Yeah. So what we are learning today is scanning. Scanning is number A. Scanning is the method of fast reading. B. Look for the specific information. What information you want? In scanning, we will learn how we can focus on specific information. Not unnecessary information we don't want. We have not time to read out every word. And C, very important. Scanning is we don't need to read every word. There are a lot of information. Look, different styles, a lot of informations are there. How is it possible for you to read out every word?
No.
So what you will do, you will read out specific information.